In this video, we will show you how to use Lemfi to send money to Pakistan. If you guys want to get started with Lemfi, you can use the links down in the description. First, download the Lemfi app on your Android or iPhone device. Then, open the app and sign up for a free account. Now, complete the identity verification process to secure your account. Here, add money to your Lemfi account by tapping up via your card or bank account. After that, choose the recipient in Pakistan from your contact or entire details manually. Lemfi support over 30 banks in Pakistan, so select the recipient's bank. In the next step, specify the amount you want to send. Then, double-check the recipient information and amount to avoid any mistakes. You can authorize the payment using your unique PIN. Now, confirm the transaction and Lemfi will securely transfer the money to the recipient's bank account in Pakistan. Lemfi provides instant notifications to keep you updated on your status of your transfer. The transfer typically takes 3 to 5 minutes to complete. So, that's how to use Lemfi to send money to Pakistan. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Lemfi. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.